Namaste students. Students, after the time lesson, I will take new chapter that is shapes and patterns. So you have already learned in the first standard shapes and patterns. So we can observe the daily life. The surrounding. So we can observe different shapes. So window, then uh, clocks, door, tables, and then chalk piece, duster, bottles, mobiles, and then board, okay, chairs. So we can observe all these things. So we can having a different shapes. Okay, door, it is a rectangle shape. We know the rectangle. Rectangle means rectangle having four sides. Rectangle having four sides, two small sides and two big sides, two small sides and two longer sides. So that is called as rectangle. Rectangle, it is a rectangle, is it right? Rectangle, it is a rectangle. Rectangle, rectangle. So then here having four smalls, two smalls, two longer sides, two small sides. Next one, square. Square having, it is all sides are equal. Here all sides are equal. So no changes. Okay, it is square. That is the difference of square and rectangle. Here opposite sides are equal. All sides are different. So we will opposite sides are equal. Here all sides are equal. Another one is plane figure. So these are called as plane figures. Okay, it is a triangle. Triangle. Then another one, circle. Circle. Okay. So look at that. So these are the shapes having we can observe in the daily life. So we ಎಲ್ಲ ಶೇಪ್ಗಳು ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಯಾವ ತರ ಶೇಪ್ ಇದಾವೆ. Then clock, then chessboard, then stamp of letter, post letters, and wheels and textbooks, and then coins. Coins having circle. The coins having circle. Then triangle having. So we can observe that naming plates. Naming plates in this triangle shape, and then ರೋಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ ಈ ತರ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಈ ತರ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ಗಳು ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ರೋಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ರೋಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇದನ್ನ. ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್. ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್, so okay, squares, and then rectangle. So you know square, rectangle most of the times we can using. So then, so these are the two dimensional shapes. We can also called as plane figures ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So we can called as plane figures. Plane figures. Plane figures. So we can write. So which are the, okay, see the objects and given below and match it with the correct shape, with the with with the correct shape. So we can observe. So which is the correct shape, we can match it in the get set go page number 121. Write the shape of the following objects. So which are the shapes of the following objects? So wheel, it is a circle shape. Textbook, it is a rectangle shape. And then triangle, then it is square. So we can observe then which are the objects, the in the matching the given objects. Okay, then some of the objects. So then, okay, wait. Okay, then another one, rolling and sliding. Roll and slide. Roll and slide. Roll and slide. Which are the objects roll and which are the objects slide? Roll means, so it is roll. It is roll. It is roll. So it is so we can write draw the, so we can push the ball, it is rolling. Push the ball, it is rolling. Okay, so then sliding means, so we can one side to another side, so we can slide. This is slide. It is a slide. Okay, then I will show some objects. Wait. Okay, students. Okay, so what type of shapes we can roll? So okay, the objects are objects with round. ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್. ಸೊ ರೌಂಡ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥವೆಲ್ಲವೂ ರೋಲ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ರೌಂಡ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥವು ಯಾವ ಆಗ್ತವೆ? ರೌಂಡ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಬಾಲ್, then then which are there, um, roll, then ಬಾಟಲ್ಸ್. ಇದು ರೌಂಡ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರೌಂಡ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ರೌಂಡ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ರೋಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ರೋಲ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್. ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್. It is a flat surface. It is a flat surface means side flat surface. These are called as having. So which are, look at this, these are the flat shapes. Flat shape. That flat shapes are we can slide. So which are the objects are? So with round shape surface, round surface are called as slide. So look at the ball. It is round surface ball. Look at that. It is a ball. Ball can be slide, roll. So it is not a slide. So because it is a round shape, round surface, it is not a, it is not, we cannot slide that. Okay, ಇದನ್ನ slide ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. So ಯಾವ slide ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? So slide. So we can observe the objects. If it is flat surface is there, it is slide. If it is a round surface, is called as roll. Okay, some of the objects having it is roll and flat. Either bottles, so Coke bottles, some of the objects roll, but and the coin is also we can roll and slide ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, roll ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So then it is a box. So it is a flat surface, it we cannot roll, it is only slide. Guru slide ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, roll ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. Okay, then it is a duster. It is not a flat surface ಇದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ನೀಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್, ವಿ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ರೋಲ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್. ಹಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ದೆನ್ ಗುರುಜಿ ಬಾಟಲ್ಸು, ಕೋಕ್ ಬಾಟಲ್ಸು, ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಬಾಟಲ್ಸ್. ದೆನ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್. Okay, observe the book. Book can be slide. We cannot roll ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. So okay, so those are there. So look at that. Roll and slide are very important. ಯಾವನ್ನ ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾವನ್ನ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಬಾಟಲ್ಸು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಯಿನ್ಸು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಯಾವನ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತವೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಯುವರ್ introduction of your objects, the shapes and patterns. So look at this is the homework for your. So see the objects and given below and match it the correct shape. So which are the objects I have introduced already? Rectangle, square, triangle and the circle. Okay, so this is called as shapes. So these are two-dimensional shapes. So we can also call it as two-dimensional shapes. I will write another one 2D shapes. 2D shapes. So we can learn slide and roll. Okay, then write the shapes of the following objects. So which are the objects are following, and then find out the tick and shape rolls and which shape slide. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಇದಾವೆ, ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ರೋಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಬಾಲು ಬರಲ್ಲ, ರೋಲ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಟು roll only, we cannot do slide. Okay, then it is a dice. It is a flat shape, it is cannot be roll, it can be only slide. Then coin also we can make to slide, roll both, so we can make to both, ಎರಡು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Then Coke bottle, it is a bottle. Coke bottle hen ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, so we can make to roll and slide. It is a flat shape, it is flat here, so we can make to cylindrical shape ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಎರಡನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಗುರುಜಿ, it is a, what is it? It is a clock, we cannot roll. So roll ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, but roll ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Okay, it is round shape figures, so we can also roll and slide, ಎರಡು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Okay, so these are called as slide and roll. Okay, today's introduction is over. Next class I will take that. So I will take to lines concept, and then two-dimensional shapes, and why we can call as two dimensions, and then what is meant by sides, what is meant by corners, and then in the two dimensional figures, so we can observe all these things, and then solid shapes also is there, so we can then, so these are the today's introduction of shapes and patterns. So, okay, shapes, two types of shapes, one plane shapes, one another one is solid shape. Okay, students, this is the introduction of shapes and patterns. Okay, I will sending the homework, you have to do and send the answers, you have to send it to my WhatsApp number. Dhanyavad, thank you so much.